Hey guys! The outside and the inside of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE's rear panel were shown to you a few days ago. This will be the less expensive version of the Galaxy S21, similar to how the Galaxy S20 FE was a less expensive version of the Galaxy S20. Yes, you have figured it out. As we previously stated, Samsung will need to do some serious puring in order to bring the price of the phone below $699, which was the price of the Galaxy S20 FE. You may recall that a Samsung official said in September that the phone would be cancelled, but that does not appear to be the case currently. Let's Go Digital today posted a hands-on video of the Galaxy S21 FE with a mock-up of the back panel received by Concepts creator, with the phone rumored to be introduced in January. The mock-up in the video appears to be identical to the photographs of the Galaxy S21 FE's rear panel that we shared a few days ago. The phone's body is really the Galaxy S10 Plus, which has a 6.4 inches display, which is the same size as the Galaxy S21 FE is expected to display. Despite the fact that it is a mock-up based on previously published CAD renders, the phone back's panel does have the S21 series integrated camera bump, but it's worth noting that this component of the unannounced phone is made of plastic. It appears that the rumored specs are correct, a new spec sheet has arrived and it appears that everything is in order. Although a version based on Exynos 2100 chipset will be available in Europe, the Snapdragon 880 is said to be under the hood. 6GB and 8GB of RAM with 128GB and 256GB of storage were mentioned as possible memory options. An IP68 dust and water resistant rating, an in-display fingerprint scanner, Dolby Atmos support, a 4370 mAh battery and a 25W rapid charging are among the other features. Although the charger will not come with the device. The phone should have been announced by now, but Samsung has postponed its release owing to supply chain issues. The most recent speculation about the S21 FE's release date suggests that it will be unveiled during the 2022 Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, which will take place from January 5 to 8. Let me know what do you think in comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.